Mahina lang tayo ng plano ni Tugati, mahina lang tayo ng 1 minute. Sa Hong Kong, 2 minutes. Kanya, 3 minutes. Art, ambisyoso ka. Kaya mo kayo. Passenger capacity congestion shall be addressed by increasing the number of running trains from the current 16 trains with a total of 48 cars per hour to 20 trains with a total of 60 car per hour. Now, you increase the train speed from 40 to 60. Ang problema nito, yung mga railway na ito, di na ito kasali dyan. Huwag mo maniwala dito. 2/3 of these are mine. The other 1/3 is correct yung grammar ko, yung ano lang nila. 60 km per hour. Problema nito, and you must agree with me, that the rails are quite aged. Most of the rails, maybe doon pa yan sa panahon ni Marcos, Imelda. Nandiyan pa. Ngayon, sabi ni Tugadi, kaya magbigay sa akin, sabi ko, 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. Sabi ko, Art, sigurado ka makahold ang rail yan? Baka maputol yan, magdiretso yung train sa Cavite. To diretso sa Cavite, maglipad doon kay Tolentino. Oh, bakit may train dito sa Tagaytay? It's quite fast. Quite fast, 60 kilometers per hour, and you're pulling something that's heavy. When it really moves, mawala ng ano, it moves with the speed at a heavy thing, at a great speed. Mahirap mong sumasadsad kasi mabigat. And reduce headway time from 5 minutes to 3 minutes. Mahina lang tayo ng plano ni Tugati, mahina lang tayo ng 1 minute. Sa Hong Kong, 2 minutes. Kanya, 3 minutes. Art, ambisyoso ka. Kaya mo kayo ito. Specifically for the LRT, the operating hours shall be extended from 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. Kasi marami pa mga bata mag-uwi niyan. And to absorb more passengers, delays in the procurement of additional trains shall be addressed soonest. Now, yan ang sinasabi ko. If you want the long way, fine. Wala akong problema. Sabihin ninyo na doon we go the normal way if you are able to make purchases. Ang maganda nito, I have signed the executive order sa aming FUI. Naunahan ko kayo. Yung inyo na, nandoon na sa akin. Tapos na ako. Ilabas ko na. It will be out today. Alam mo, sabi ko, unahan ko dating kongreso. Puro mayayabang yung mga dyan. We grab there's a stealing one's thunder. Kaya unahan na natin. So, we shall also pursue rail projects in Metro Manila at the major key points and the country, including the Mindanao Rail Project. Hindi ako nagyayabang, pero totoo talaga to. Depende sa federal, but 6 years, lalabas talaga ito, I assure you, because it's going to materialize. Rail projects, the Davao Transit System, the Cebu Transit System, the North and South Luzon Railways, and the Panay Railways Project. Tama? Panay. Taga saan si ano? Panay. Panay ang bigay natin para sabihin naman Senator Delon, binakbait ka dito. Malagyan daw yung island mo ng train. May tawa pa. Binabakbait ka dito. Sumbong man yan. Tingnan mo yan. Different approaches are also being considered to decongest NAIA, including the possible transfer of general aviation. Itong, I will, hindi, ang style ko kasi, ganito, hindi naman ako, I'm not steeped into formalities. Itong of general aviation, alam mo kung sino tiyatamaan yan? Kayong mayayaman. Kayong may mga helicopter pati aeroplano, ilipat ko kayo. Alam mo yung general aviation, yung mga Learjets, sa mga kumpanya, ilagay ko kayo sa Batanes para wala masyadong air traffic. No, I'm offering Sangli Point. Kasi kailangan ko isang runway. I can make a new runway there, sabi ng mga aviation experts. But tumbok niyan is the Merville subdivision. Maka isa pa akong runway dito sa Metro Manila. But if not, then it's going to be Clark. But on a condition that we would have a fast rail. Sabi ko kaya, something like 1 hour of travel, sabi ko kay Tugadi, is not acceptable. Make a rail there, bago, marami na ko pa eh. It's the vow of the day is the bullet train. Ilagay mo yan sa Pilipino na driver, sotoy talaga kayo doon. Maglampas kayo. The Clark Airport can be utilized to shift some operations of our domestic and international airlines. Moreover, a one-stop shop will be established within the civil aviation complex for the benefit of the overseas Filipinos. Ito, mangyari nito. To utilize the Clark Airport, it is necessary to establish yung mga, well, you have a rail to connect. Tapos na yan, itaas mo na kayo, gitagalog ko na. In the area of environment, the military is directed to intensify its makinig kayo kasi tawa dyan, support role